Good morning. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You're just in time. I'm in the garden and I just wanted to give you an update. I just picked the tomato plant that I held on to from the spring, the beginning of the season. I went ahead and pulled it out the ground. I didn't even think about it. I grabbed my camera right after I pulled it out. But anyways, I did pull it out. I tried to hold on to it as long as I could because it was still producing. And so what I did do, in its place, I planted a muscadine grape vine. And I do have Concord grapes and some green seedless grapes. And I was like, well, you know what? I want to add some muscadine grapes as well. I've been adding pretty much everything in my garden, and I saw them on Lowe's. I got a really good deal. So I just ordered one. So I just wanted to show you, and everything is looking really good. Looks like it likes its new home. So I just wanted to share. If you haven't started a garden, I encourage you to get out and grow, to plant something new. Enjoy the fresh air, the sun, the beautiful sounds that you hear in your garden. And of course, don't forget to laugh during this time, this crazy time during the pandemic. Sometimes we can forget to smile and laugh because things can be so stressful around us. So don't forget to take time out to laugh with your loved ones and enjoy life. And of course, enjoy your gardens. Thanks for watching. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay